Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Thursday, October 30th, 2025. We'll cover significant movements across indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. U.S. stock market indexes were mostly down today. The S&P 500 index closed at 6,822.35, losing 68.25 points. The Dow 30 index ended at 47,522.13, down 109.88 points. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite Index fell 377.33 points to 23,581.14, marking a 1.5% decline. Market breadth showed mixed results. The S&P 500 index saw more decliners than advancers at 263 to 231. Similarly, the Nasdaq Composite Index experienced 1,954 declines, outnumbering its 1,100 advances, indicating a negative sentiment across key indexes today. Analyzing returns, the Nasdaq Composite Index had a week-to-date total return of 1.62%, while the S&P 500 Index and the Dow 30 Index showed moderate positive trends year-to-date. The S&P 400 Mid-Cap Index registered a negative week-to-date return of -2.18%. In sectors, real estate led with a 0.65% increase, closing at 257.49. Despite its long-term negative trend, the financial services sector followed, posting a 0.31% gain at 868.90. Interestingly, the healthcare sector maintained a strong positive trend, rising 0.22%. On the downside, Consumer Cyclical fell 2.5%, closing at 1,886.12. Technology declined by 1.4%, ending at 5,979.40, though it remains in a positive trend. Basic materials also dropped 1%, with noticeable downward volatility today. Globally, Chile, iShares ETF, leads with a new all-time high close at 35.34, marking a 6-day uptrend. Austria, iShares ETF, also closed higher, breaking out upward after 3 days of consolidation. Israel, iShares ETF, followed suit with a strong upward momentum. Global ETFs continue to show strength. Chile, iShares ETF, yielded a formidable year-to-date return of 41.13%. Austria, iShares ETF, maintained upward momentum with a 48.4% year-to-date return. Comparatively, Israel, iShares ETF, delivered a robust 32.06% gain year-round. In tech stocks, Apple closed at 271.40, climbing 1.70 points with a new all-time high, extending its streak to 6 consecutive positive sessions. Alphabet rose 6.73 points to close at 281.90, up 2.4%, marking a new high. Meanwhile, Amazon fell 3.2% to end at 222.86, and Meta Platforms plunged significantly, dropping 11.3% to close at 666.47. Nvidia closed at 202.89, down 4.15 points, despite maintaining a positive trend.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is trading at 108,308.18, down over 1,723 in value today, extending its negative streak to 4 days, illustrating a strong downward trend. Ethereum, currently at 3,804.2, has fallen over 100, experiencing marked volatility with a mixed downward pattern. BNB dips to 1,079.68 and rides a mixed positive stream in this declining market. Solana slips to 184.67, maintaining a negative streak for 4 days, joining the day's downward pressures. Meanwhile, Dogecoin continues its slide at 0.1827, incorporating volatility and a strong negative trend amidst a tough trading phase. Taking a broader perspective on crypto returns, Bitcoin is showcasing a week-to-date decline of over 5%, while its year-to-date performance still maintains a positive 16%. Ethereum is down about 8.5% weekly, with a close to 2.5% dip today, reflecting volatility. BNB stands out with a yearly gain of over 54%, indicating strength despite short-term pressures. Solana and Dogecoin both see significant weekly losses, underlining the current negative sentiment in crypto.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is currently up against key world currencies, showcasing strong performance. Against the euro, it sits at 0.8641, gaining 0.0025, and continues a strong positive trend with upward volatility. Similarly, it's up against the British pound at 0.7602, with very strong upward momentum and volatility sustained over 4 days. The Japanese yen sees the greenback at 154.107, marking a 0.9% rise and an impressive breakout after 3 days of being flat. In contrast, against the Swiss franc, it's experiencing a positive trend at 0.8014 and is up by 0.0021. Interestingly, while the American dollar gains 0.0019 against the Australian dollar, it is amid a strong negative trend, experiencing some downward volatility.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi, Victoria Cashmore, and Liquidity. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 9:45 a.m., 12:30 p.m., and 4 p.m. New York time for more market reports, and check in daily for in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.